with another video. Today we have a special guest. She is my cousin. Her name is Alexi. Hey guys. And today we are going to be doing
Thanksgiving slime.
Yeah, we're going to do a tutorial on how to make Thanksgiving slime. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up
And subscribe down below.
and make sure you turn on post notifications to become a ravioli.
Okay, so these are the ingredients that we will be needing. White glue, activator, an empty bottle of glue which has water in it.
Yeah. So this is just empty bottle of white Elmer's glue. We put water in it, see? And then the other things that you will need, this is some white pigment. It is optional. You do not need it.
If you want it, you can choose to have it.
Yes. And then we have yellow food coloring and red food coloring. And 3 containers. And a mixing tool. Let's get started.
Your first ingredient that you will be needing is white glue to pour into your container. And do it 3 times, but I'm only using one for an example. So let's pour in our white glue.
The next step on making this Thanksgiving slime is pouring in water into your 3 containers with glue. So you only need a few squirts. And mix it up.
Okay, so the next step is to add in your food coloring. So right now, I'm going to add 1 drop of yellow and 1 drop of orange to make, and 1 drop of red to make orange. So let's do that. There we go. Okay. Now we are going to pour some yellow into this container. And then we're just going to leave this one white for now.
The next step is adding white pigment to your slime. This will just make it a little bit more unique. And now we will be using this on them. So, yeah. So I'm just going to pour in just a little bit. This is optional. And mix it up.
Okay, and now we are going to be pouring in our activator. So let's get going.
The reason why we chose these colors was because it looks like candy cane. Here's the orange. I don't know if you can see it or not. Here's the yellow, and there's the white. We are going to be activating all of them and then making them into a slime swirl. You want to activate it slowly so it doesn't become too tough
And
hard.
over-activated.
Yeah. So you keep adding activator until it's not gooey,
You know, the thing is that we're going into the holidays, so that
and then
And it's okay if it's sticky or not. It's just, if you don't want it sticky, you can still add more activator.
but if you do want it really sticky like Nickelodeon slime, then you want to put less activator. So you keep doing it until it's all slime. Okay, now that our slimes are all activated, they're not sticky anymore, we are gonna add some lotion. We got this from the dollar store. It is vanilla body cream. It smells
Vanilla cupcake
Yeah.
body cream.
smells like a cupcake.
And this is optional. You don't have to use it. It just makes your slime stretchier, or you can just use it to make it smell good.
Yeah. It also makes it a little bit like softer and a better texture to play with. So we're just gonna add a little bit in your hand and then just rub it into the slime. You can rub it all in.
And it might like kind of like
It might make it a little bit stickier, but
at first.
yeah, but keep kneading it and it will be better. See, it's already stretchier than what it was.
Yeah, it's really stretchy already, even though I just added a tiny bit and I just started kneading.
So, on to the last step.
So we got all of our slimes mixed in with our lotion.
And we divided them all in two so that we can both mix it.
Yeah, and we are going to be doing a slime swirl with all of them, and we're going to be mixing them together, not all the way, so we can still let you guys see it.
See the colors, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what makes it Thanksgiving slime. It will probably look like a candy corn if you follow all of these steps. Okay, so I'm gonna mix them.
Me too. I'm gonna be doing mine like kind of like the aura of a candy corn. Okay, does yellow go next? I'm just gonna put yellow next.
When you mix it, this is what mine looks like. You see the white and the orange and the yellow.
And this is what mine looks like. It has the white, the orange, and the yellow.
When you mix it all together, it will make this nice,
Light, kind of like light orange.
it's
probably.
kind of like golden a little.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like.
And yeah, it's kind of like a light orange color, kind of like goldish too.
Okay, now on to the ASMR montage. Watching this video,
Give this a big thumbs up
and turn on the post notification bell
and subscribe down below.
to become
A ravioli.
Okay, so please comment down below if you did this tutorial.
And comment down below if you already made a candy corn slime and mixed the slimes all together.
If you've ever done that.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching. I'm Savvy,
I'm Alexi.
and this is the Bubba Bubbies channel.
Bye.
I know this is kind of random, but we mixed all of the slimes together and we added some purple food coloring and it made this color.
Kind of like a peachy color.
It's like a dusty rose, but I just want to show you the bubble pops that it makes. So I'm just gonna make like a bubble so that I can show you. See, it's really stretchy. We added a little bit more lotion too. Okay, ready? It makes really good bubble pops and it's very clicky. See, there you go. It's very stretchy. There you go. There's your candy corn slime with a little bit of purple food coloring, which makes it a dusty rose color. I don't know if you can see it that far away, but there it is.